Octoprint is the control software that we use for a few of our 3D printers here in the Idea Factory. To access Octoprint, go to octoprint.bluezone.usu.edu. Here, you'll be prompted for a username and password. The username is Idea Factory with a capital I and a capital F. It's the same thing for the password with a numeric 1 at the end. So it's Idea Factory and Idea Factory 1. Once you're logged in, we're going to be presented with a few different menus. The first is the temperature control system. Here, you can adjust the temperature of the extruder or of the print bed. To adjust, simply click in and then type in your number. For ABS filaments, we suggest heating the extruder to anywhere between 230 and 250 degrees. For PLA, adjust between 200 and 210 degrees. Here we'll just select 210. Then just click enter or select the check mark. Once the nozzle is preheated, come over to the control tab. Here, you can extrude or retract your filament for switching out a filament and for placing your new filament back in. As well as there's a monitoring system with a webcam set up on our 3D printer. This way, as a 3D printer is going, you can log in and check and see the status of your print. Once you have your filament loaded into the printer, the last thing to do is upload your G-code. Come over to the upload button and find the code that you made. I'm going to do this April project. Once it's uploaded, you'll see that yellow flash across the print. That means it's ready to go, so go ahead and hit load and print. If you want to do a previous job that you've already done, you don't need to re-upload your code. You can just find it in this listing here and then just click load and print. Just like that, your print's ready to go, and an approximate print time will be displayed here. If you have any further questions about Octoprint or 3D printing, feel free to ask one of our staff or to call the Idea Factory.